today's topic is learn ViEditor in 5 minutes by Utkarsh Academy. Okay, so just here we can see that what is, first of all, how we are going to be open an ViEditor. So if we want to open ViEditor in our Linux system or in Windows machine, if we are installing some Linux terminals like Git Bash, if we are installing Git Bash, or we are having any other Linux terminals in our Windows machine, and we want to see how we are going to be open and files in a ViEditor, or how we are going to be open and ViEditor. So just there is the very simple command vi, and then we can mention the file name. So here we can see that we are going to be open a file called UTK Academy. So just we are going to be give the vi and then UTK Academy. So just I am going to be open a terminal here. I'm going to open a terminal. So just here we can see that, and I'm going to be open that particular file. So just here vi space, I'm going to give the name of that file is UTK Academy. So here we can see that, just everyone able to see that we are opening a one file. That file name is UTK Academy. So that file I'm going to be open here in a terminal. So this is the new file. This one is the new file. So just we want to insert something. I want to write down something, modify that file, or I want to add some content in that particular file. But right now in ViEditor, just here we can see that how we are going to be open a file in a ViEditor. So just I'm going to be get out of that file. So just I'm going to be change the mode and go to the command mode, and I'm going to be type a Q, and I am out of that editor right now. So if we want to, so just we are going to be learn. Here we are going to be see that how we are going to be go into specific file. So vi, and then we are going to be give the file name. So just here we can see there are a couple of files. I'm going to be here. I'm entering an ls command, and we can see that there are a couple of files. So I want to go in specific file, like I want to go in a file 1, or I want to go in a file 2. So just here we are going to be use the command. If we want to open an existing file, then we go vi and then give the file as a file 1, file name as a file 1. So we can see that these are the existing file, and there is the content like hi, hello, we are going to be inserted here. So if I want to out of that file, then again I'm going to be go to the command mode. So if I want to go to the command mode, then I'm going to be click on shift and colon, and then just we're going to press Q. We are going to be enter and Q, and then we are going to be click on enter button. So we are out of that ViEditor. So just here we can see that how we are going to be create a, if we want to create a new file in ViEditor, we can give the vi and file name, which file name we want to assign for that specific new file. And then we are right now still just here we have seen how to open a new file and how to open an existing file. So just we are going to be learn the some different concepts, like here we are opening the file, existing file we have seen. But here we can see that how many modes are there in a ViEditor. Basically, there are 3 modes in a ViEditor. So we can see that so by default, when we are going to be open any file, existing file, or we want to create a new file in ViEditor, we are in a command mode. By default, we are in a command mode. So but basically, if we want to modify existing file, or we want to create a new file, then that time we move from command mode to insert mode. So just here we can see that these are the options. If we are going to press small I or capital I, or small o or capital O, small a or capital A. So these are the options when we want to change the mode from command mode to insert mode. So just here we can use these options. And if we want to go again, we want to change insert mode to command mode, then we are going to be press the escape key. We are going to be press the escape key. So directly command mode get changed. So here we can see that. So we are when we are by default we are in a command mode, and then when we want to modify the file, then we need to change the mode as a insert mode. And again, when we want to that escape mode, when we want to go to the escape mode, so just we are going to press the escape key. Or when we want to exit out of that file, So just we are going to press the colon, and then when we want to save the changes, whatever the changes we have been made in a file. So then that time we are going to be use colon and WQ. W is for saving purpose and Q is for quitting purpose. So just here we can see one of the example here. Now we are going to be see that there are file 1, file 2, these are the files here. So I am going to be create a new file here. So here I am going to be create a new file called file 3, VI space file 3. So just here you can see that at the last line, at the bottom, you can see that file 3, and after that in file 3, we can see that this file is a new file. So if I am going to be type something here, so they are not going to be accept anything, because right now I'm in a command mode. Default mode in ViEditor is a command mode. Now I'm going to be change the mode from command to insert mode. So we need to press small I or capital I, small O or capital O, or small a or capital A. So just I'm going to press I. So we can see that at the bottom line, we can see that right now mode gets changed. Right now I'm in a insert mode. So if whatever the type, whatever the contents I want to type here, so just I'm going to be type here like, hi all. I'm going to be type welcome to Utkarsha Academy Pune. Yeah, and I'm I want to save that particular file, whatever the content I have been written. So I want to save and I want to out of that file. Then we need to change the mode. Again, I want to go to the command mode. So press the escape key. So just I'm going to press the escape key. Right now, insert is not there. So here we can see that our mode get changed. Now I want to save whatever the contents I have been typed here. These contents I want to save in specific file. So just I'm going to be type colon. So we can see that colon get typed at the bottom of the line, at the last of the line. And for saving purpose, we are going to be use say W. And for quitting that file, we are going to be use Q. And I am going to be enter the button. So just here we can see that we have saved that file. Whatever the content we have written, that content is saved in a file 3. If we want to see the file 3, so just I am going to be write down VI space file 3. So just here we can see that we can see the same file, right? So in that way, we can see that how we are going to be use the ViEditor. If you like the video about ViEditor, then please like, share, and subscribe our channel.